Hello children, today we are taking up lesson number 1, Living Beings, from your textbook Junior Science book 4. In this chapter, we will study about the characteristics of living things and non-living things. Children, as you all have read in your earlier class that living beings grow, move, breathe, eat and reproduce. But non-living things do not grow, do not move, do not breathe, do not eat and do not reproduce. So here in this chapter we will study these same characteristics of living beings in detail. These characteristics are feeding, breathing, throwing out waste, responding, movement, reproduction and growing. Non-living things do not have these characteristics. Feeding. All living beings need food. Plants even need food from carbon dioxide and water. All animals depend on plants. Some animals like goats, cows and deers are the plant eaters. Even the flesh eaters depend on plants for food because they eat animals which eat plants. Non-living things do not need food. Breathing. All living beings breathe. They take in air and use the oxygen in it to produce energy. Inside the body of a living being, oxygen and food combine to produce energy. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are thrown out by living beings. Non-living things do not breathe. Throwing out waste. All animals throw out waste from their bodies. The body of a living being produces waste while making use of food. This waste has to be cleaned from our body in the form of urine, stool and sweat. Plants also throw out waste. Plants get rid of gases through the pores on their leaves. They store the rest of the waste in special parts of their body. These waste can be stored in leaves, seeds or trunk and can be useful as well as poisonous. Non-living things do not throw out waste. Responding. All living beings feel things. They also respond to the things around them or show what they feel. For example, a dog wags its tail when it is happy. Plants also respond. They respond to heat, light, moisture and other things. For example, the leaves of a sensitive plant touch me not close when you touch them. Non-living things do not respond. Movement. Animals move from place to place in search of food, comfort and other things. They also move different parts of their body, while plants are rooted to one spot, so they cannot move from place to place. But parts of plants do move. Most plant movements are slow. Reproduction. All living beings reproduce. That means they produce young ones of their own kind. Some animals lay eggs. Some animals give birth to babies. These babies feed on their mother's milk. Animals that grow up feeding on their mother's milk are called mammals. Many plants grow out of seeds, stems and roots. Some even grow out of leaves. Non-living things do not reproduce. Growing. All living beings grow. A baby grows into a man or woman. A chick grows into a bird. A seedling grows into a plant. Non-living things do not grow. So children, that's all with this lesson. See you all soon with a new lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe.